much. Just finished wire wheeling and painting the fuel filler from the Ranger here. Nice and shiny. Painted and cleaned because, well, painted and cleaned. So, because shiny, there's the screens in there. Yeah, hopefully I'll be able to use that in the car in some fashion. That's the plan anyway. So let me show you what we've got. And there's the 1.5 inch diameter, inside diameter tubing you need for this, and then 3/4 inch for the vent line. That's actually a fuel transfer line that had fittings on it. I just cut the fittings off. It's what Amazon had. And finding 3/4 inch fuel line is actually really surprisingly difficult. So I bought that. It's a fuel transfer line that had, like I said, it had fittings on it. I just cut them off. So that fits good. It was 12-foot section, so I cut it down a little bit. And then this is some different fuel filler hoses I just bought off Amazon. All of it came off Amazon, but that's a 3-foot section there, and this is a 1.5 inch inside diameter random piece of fuel filler that looked like it would fit. And what I want to do is run them here, put the floor will go over them, kind of hide them, and then as long as I can keep about a inch or so drop between here and there, which looks like it'll be possible because you hold this up to about where it should be, and it looks like it's a straight shot and there's no kinks. It's not gonna have anywhere where it's gonna backfeed or anything, so that should actually work out pretty good. So here's where the parts are, back here behind the shed, the lower 40 as it were. It looks like this thing's just tack welded in, spot welded in. We'll see if I can drill them out. So, except for the door, which I apparently need to take off. Just go get that. But 8mm, maybe? 8mm. There we go, one fuel door. Now, where were we? Drilling spot welds. We can now get to. I'm using a step drill bit because it's just quicker, easier. There we go. Gross. It's been raining. One fuel door thing in my bobber. Nice. Alright, great. Let's go see what we can do about mounting this in the 48, shall we? This will go in finally. Oh yeah, man. Look at that. That is delightful. I got the fuel filler and vent lines run from the original tank to the original fuel filler, modified into the 48. Not super pretty, but it'll do just fine. Looks good. Welcome back, everybody, and welcome to the South, where yesterday it was 65 degrees and sunny. Today it is about 36 degrees, sleeting and snowing. Might not get a lot done today. We'll see. This may be an inside kind of day. Where's it? 5-foot sections? Might need a little nip right here. I'm gonna have to nip it here and here, just leave a little teeny spot. Yeah. Dad was only making like 6.
Yeah. Maybe.
Maybe.
Not yet. Oh, yes. Sounds so far behind. Yeah, they
Now you got a gap in the front.
let's put it over instead of under. Just make that.
Well, I mean, that's better for welding anyway.
Okay, so let's do that. But this is
That's actually really good. That's actually real good. Yeah, that's a good fit. Like, I like that a lot.
yeah.
Cool. Let's got a little something to do on this.
Basically, it's just the scuffing it up, cleaning it off, and just cutting that one little tiny bit out.
No, not Chevy. that's
That is very good.
pretty good.
Mhm. That is very good. This doesn't come into play. None
So
of this
now
comes
it's
into
hitting
play.
right here.
Huh?
It's touching right there.
Oh, is it?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, well, we're learning as we go.
Exactly the same.
And a little more.
Wouldn't hurt it.
Doesn't hurt it. All right. It sure is looking good, though.
Boy, it's looking better than I thought. I mean, considering how
Yeah.
much we channeled this car,
Yeah.
that's not so bad.
That's gonna get a good chunk of it done when we get this thing.
Yeah, that's a
Go on. We had it over further.
close.
And there, yeah, just a touch. So let's just take this to here, just for good measure.
Mm-hmm.
Does it fall right here at the end of it? There you go.
I don't know how that happens. It's Sharpie magic, man. Well, do I want to cut it or do I want to notch it on the hump and lay it back?
That would be the optimum thing to do.
Yeah, I think so.
Well, I like that even better.
I should lay all this back. Okay. Oh. That might be actually the roll we want. That'll do.
That is right on it.
It's close enough.
Yeah.
Maybe pull that down with
Pull that down and
some self-tappers.
yeah. Here.
Floor.